Hey, this is Peter Reznicek from ShadowTrader.net, and this is a short video showing you how to install the weighted S&P Advanced Decline Line script. So I'm here in our shop section, and you can also find it here in the stocks section if you like. You can go here in the weighted AD line under stocks, but I'll just stay in the store, and I will add to cart. And that brings me here, and I guess I've already got one in the cart, so that's fine. But normally I would just add to cart, and let's proceed to checkout. Okay, so your order is received, and once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page here. You'll also get an email as well, and you'll notice here there's a download link right there. And you can either click that download link, or if you like, you can go to my account here and find it under memberships. I'll just do that just to show you the different places where it is. And you go over here and you click on memberships on the left, and you can see it's right there with your products. And you just click view, it takes you to the protected page, and it takes you to this page which is protected. Okay. Find the code and just highlight it all. Just to the end of the code, you'll put copy, and then you'll go in your thinkscript platform. You're going to put this in your ADSPD right here in the upper right of your quad. You're going to click on the little flask, which is to edit studies, and then you are going to create. You will delete this plot data close here, and you will Control V and paste this in. And if you've got it purple and white, that means you did it right. If you've got some other colors, that means you did it wrong. And you will click OK. You will click Apply. OK. And you can see that it shows up here. Now it's just named New Study here, but you can rename it very easily. So you would just go here and find it as New Study. Which is this one. And just say rename. And let's call it weighted AD line. Okay? And you'll rename it, and you can see it renames there. Okay? Now, you want to make some changes here as to how it displays. I like to display it as the purple and yellow as a histogram. So you just click the little gear and scroll down. And here's where you can change the different things. This is the zero line. How do you want the zero line to show? You want it dotted, you want it lined, how thick you want the zero line, white, whatever. And these two here show you how you'd like to display the weighted AD or the non-weighted AD. So the weighted AD here displays as a line, just white, and the weighted AD can be displayed in a number of different ways where you click draw on, you can select any of these, even values, it'll print values. But I like to use the histogram. And when I click apply, notice that it changes to the histogram. And that's it. And you're good to go. I generally like to use a 5-minute time frame. I feel you get the best signals on the 5-minute. And that's it. I like to have it on a 5-minute, but you can always experiment. If you change your time frame here, then it changes the time frame at the bottom. Obviously, the larger time frames will show you more on the page. You can go out to hourly or whatever you like. You can see how the weighted ADSPD fared over a long period of time. But again, for shorter day time frame signals, I like to use the 5-minute, which I think is best. But there are videos, as you can see right in the protected page, there's a video that also shows generally how I interpret this and some great signals that it gives throughout the trading day. All right, so I hope this is all easy for you guys to install. If you have any questions, make sure to email support@shadowtrader.net if you have any problems or issues whatsoever.